wake up.
I wake up early every morning.
I wake up early every morning.
Get out of bed.
I get out of bed at 7.
I get out of bed at 7.
Make.
I make my bed before breakfast.
I make my bed before breakfast.
Wash.
I wash my face with cold water.
I wash my face with cold water.
Brush.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
Take.
I take a warm shower every morning.
I take a warm shower every morning.
Dry.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I dry my hair with a towel.
Get dressed.
I get dressed for work.
I get dressed for work.
Eat.
I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
Drink.
I drink a cup of coffee.
I drink a cup of coffee.
Check.
I check my phone before leaving.
I check my phone before leaving.
Leave.
I leave the house at 8.
I leave the house at 8.
Go.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Wait.
I wait for the bus outside.
I wait for the bus outside.
Start.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
I start work at 9 o'clock.
Check.
I check my emails in the morning.
I check my emails in the morning.
Talk.
I talk to my coworkers at work.
I talk to my coworkers at work.
Take.
I take a short break at noon.
I take a short break at noon.
Eat.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
I eat lunch with my coworkers.
Drink.
I drink plenty of water every day.
I drink plenty of water every day.
Finish.
I finish my work in the afternoon.
I finish my work in the afternoon.
Go.
I go home after work.
I go home after work.
Buy.
I buy some groceries on my way home.
I buy some groceries on my way home.
Cook.
I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
Set.
I set the table before dinner.
I set the table before dinner.
Eat.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
Wash.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
Clean.
I clean the kitchen every evening.
I clean the kitchen every evening.
Tidy.
I tidy my room before relaxing.
I tidy my room before relaxing.
Do.
I do the laundry on weekends.
I do the laundry on weekends.
Watch.
I watch TV for a while.
I watch TV for a while.
Listen.
I listen to music in my room.
I listen to music in my room.
Read.
I read a book before bed.
I read a book before bed.
Call.
I call my friend in the evening.
I call my friend in the evening.
Talk.
I talk to my family about my day.
I talk to my family about my day.
Prepare.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
Brush.
I brush my teeth before going to bed.
I brush my teeth before going to bed.
Turn off.
I turn off all the lights.
I turn off all the lights.
Feel.
I feel tired after a long day.
I feel tired after a long day.
Go.
I go to bed around 11.
I go to bed around 11.